Hey guys, and welcome to Miss Hart's Kitchen. So today we are going to be making Mariah's corn with fruit snacks.
Thank you for that.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. It just came out of nowhere.
So the
Do with popcorn with fruit snacks is literally what it is. It's popcorn with fruit snacks. Could you guess that?
I don't know. I think it's glad that you informed me on what it actually was, because I don't think I would have been able to put two together.
It's difficult.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
But the thing with it is it's popcorn in a bowl, and then you put in the fruit snacks after you bake the popcorn. It's all gooey and mushy. It's mixed together. It's actually really good. But before we can do that, like every professional cook knows, we have our hand sanitation queen here.
Me.
And our hand model princess here.
That's her.
To show us how to wash our hands properly. So here we go.
Okay, so today we're going to teach Melissa how to be a little less filthy. Yeah. Okay, so you turn the faucet on. Now make your hands like this. Yeah, like that. Just and you water, Melissa. Okay. So then we're gonna flip your hands from this way to this way, and this way, and back to this way, and this way, and this way. Okay, you're making a mess. Okay, it's okay because there's water all over now. So then now that your hands are wet, they feel wet.
Yeah, they feel really wet.
They're like they're really wet. Then you're gonna put soap on there. Okay, that's enough soap. People want to be clean too, Melissa, not just you. So rub your hands together like so. And you want to make sure you get the palms of your hands and the other palm, your whole palm, Melissa, not the pinky finger. All right. And then you're going to rub the tops of your hands and in between your fingers like this. And your rings are still on. I don't know why those are on, Melissa. Those are gross. Wash around your rings too. You won't have to do this because more than likely you'll actually take your jewelry off before we wash hands. But it's okay. Now you're going to rinse. Okay, you don't have to put your hands in just like this, Melissa, but like all the bubbles. All right, do you feel like the bubbles are off? You're good now? Okay. So now we're gonna turn the water off. So now you're gonna reach in the cabinet and get a towel. No, not that towel, Melissa. No, not that one either. Yes, that one. Okay. Now you're going to dry your hands. That's sloppy, Melissa. Like that, pat, dry. Gorgeous. And then you take the towel and you fold it back up. And you don't put it back in the drawer because it's dirty now, Melissa. Okay. Okay, so now that we're all clean.
Wait, Sky. Wasn't she supposed to put her hair up?
Oh yeah, here, I'll put your hair.
No, it's fine, I got it.
Melissa!
Now you have to wash your hands again.
Alright, now let's scrub your hands. And the tops. Your whole hand. I have not seen you touch your wrist. There you go. Alright, and in between your fingers. Because that's what you had in your hair, and your rings. Again, because you never took those off again. But it's okay.
It's fine.
Just rinse it. Everything's fine. Rinse. Get all the bubbles. Do you feel like you're clean?
I think so.
You think so, or you know so?
I know so.
She knows so. Okay, we're good. So now that you're clean,
There's some bubbles though.
dry your hands, Melissa.
Okay.
Okay. And that concludes how you wash your hands. Maybe try to do it right the first time. But it's okay. It's okay.
That's okay. It's okay. All right, let's get cooking. All right, so the thing with popcorn and fruit snacks is you need two items: popcorn, fruit snacks. Could you guess that?
No.
So when I'm at home, I have to hide my snacks because I have two younger siblings and they steal everything from me. And I'm not even kidding. Food, clothes, toys. I don't have toys though.
Don't lie.
But to get started, we need our popcorn. So does anybody know where we put the popcorn?
I don't.
I think Melissa put it.
She what?
Melissa put it in.
Well, she put it where?
Okay. All right. Okay.
No.
Okay. Got it.
When did that get in there, guys? Would you like to tell me
Okay,
that?
and now we need our fruit snacks.
All right. Because where else would fruit snacks be except in the oven?
You need a bowl, okay? All right. Popcorn. Bowl.
Oh.
Moonwalk. Microwave. So the deal with popcorn is you never use popcorn button. I've learned that ever since I was little from my grandma, my mom, everybody. You always do it for like a minute 45, a minute 50, whatever you feel like doing.
And make sure you take the plastic wrap off of the popcorn.
That'd be very helpful.
Before you, yeah.
Helpful tip for
Learn
you
the
guys.
hard way. No, it smells like when you go to the movie theater and it just smells like butter and high cholesterol. That's what it smells like. Can't wait. Can't wait. Ready? Trick shot. It's done! Woo! Woo! Yeah, love being left
Popcorn. Alright, so now we take the fruit snacks. You can open that one, guys. You take it and you just, woo! Shower of fruit snacks.
So I have to go,
Woo! Yep. Shower of fruit snacks. Exactly.
Okay.
Everybody has to sing that song when they do this. Woo! Shower of fruit snacks. Alright, so now everybody is complete. As you can see, it's got fruit snacks all over it. Alright. So now everybody can just take a piece of popcorn and their fruit snack of choice and then eat it together. Thoughts?
What is in my mouth? I don't like this, Mariah.
You don't like it?
I don't like it.
I love it.
I like the fruit snack by
the popcorn by itself.
What's your favorite fruit snack, Guy?
The ones that don't have popcorn on them?
Lovely. Mine's orange.
I like the grape ones. I also like the blue raspberry ones. Those are good.
There's blue raspberry pop.
Everybody knows that the color blue tastes the best.
Mm-hmm.
I don't care what
Slushies, popsicles, fruit snacks,
You got
gummy
some idea what
bears,
flavor you
gummy
want.
worms, sour gummy worms. Those are things. Sour octopus bites. Those are definitely a thing too. Anything blue raspberry.
Yes. All right. Well, thanks for joining us today for popcorn and fruit snacks. That's my creation. Try it at home. It's wonderful. Don't listen to that. Just kidding. Bye.